Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel. Your question number 6. So that the square of any odd positive integer is of the form 8m plus 1 for some whole number m. According to Euclid's division lemma, here we assume b is equal to 8, a is equal to bq plus r. Uh, so r will be between 1 to 7. It means r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then a is equal to 8q plus r, case 1, when r is equal to 1, a is equal to 8q plus 1, squaring on both sides, a square equal to 8q plus 1 whole square, which is 64q square plus 10q plus 1 equal to 8 whole into 8q square plus 2q plus 1, taking 8q square plus 2qm, it is in the form of 8m plus 1, where m is equal to 8q square plus 2q. Now come to case 2, where r is equal to 2, a is equal to 8q plus 2, squaring on both sides, a square equal to 8q plus 2 whole square equal to 64q square plus 3 to 32q plus 4 is not equal to 8m plus 1. As we can't convert it. It means r is an even number and it is not in the form of 8m plus 1. Here it is 4, but we have to convert it to 1. So in case 3, when r is equal to 3, a is equal to 8q plus 3, squaring on both sides, a square equal to 8q plus 3 whole square, which is 64q plus 48q plus 9. We will convert 9 equal to 8 plus 1 for taking common 8. After taking common 8, it will be converted to 8 into 8q square plus 6q plus 1 plus 1. 9 is converted to 8 plus 1, where for taking 8 common. So it is in the form of 8m plus 1, where m equal to 8q square plus 6q plus 1. We can see that for every odd value of r, the square is a is in the form of 8m plus 1. Question number 7. So that the square of any positive integer is either of the form of 4q or 4q plus 1 for some integer q. Applying Euclid division's lemma, a, b, q and r, where b is equal to 4 and a is equal to bq plus r. R is in between 0 to b. A is equal to 4q plus r, where r is between 0 to 4. Case 1, 0 to r is equal to 0, a is equal to 4q. Thus, a square equal to 16 square, 16q square. After taking 4 common, it will be in the form of 4q, where q is equal to 4q square. Then r is equal to 1, a is equal to 4q plus 1, a square is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square equal to 16q square plus 6q plus 1, which may, after taking common 4q, it will be converted into 4q into 4q plus 2 plus 1, where q whole into 4q plus 2 is q. In case 3, r is equal to 2, a is equal to 4q plus 2, a square equal to 16q square plus 16q plus 4. After taking 4 common, it will be converted to 4 into 4q square plus 4q plus 1. It is in the form of 4r, where r is equal to 4q square plus 4q plus 1. In case 4, r is equal to 3, a is equal to 4q plus 3, a square is equal to 4q plus 3 whole square equal to 16q square plus 24q plus 9. I will convert 9 into 8 plus 1. After that I will take common 4, then it will be converted into 4 whole into 4q square plus 6q plus 2 plus 1. That is in the form of 4m plus 1. In m is equal to 4q square plus 6q plus 2. Thus we can see that the square of any positive integer is in the form of 4q or 4q plus 1 for some integer q. That's what the question. Now question number 8. So that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 for some integer m. Let a be any positive integer, then by Euclid's algorithm a is equal to 4q plus r for some integer q greater than equal 0, r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. because 0 is less than equal r or less than 4. So a is equal to 4q or 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 2 or 4q plus 3. 4q's whole q equal to 64q equal to 14 into 16q is equal to 4m, where m is any integer. 4q plus 1's whole q equal to 64q plus 48q square plus 12q plus 1. 4 whole into 64q plus 12q square plus 3 plus 1 after taking 4 common. So after it is in the form of 4m plus 1, where m is the an integer, m equal to 64q 12q square plus 3. Then 4q plus 2's whole q is equal to 64q plus 96q square plus 48q plus 8. After taking 4 common, it will be 16q cube to 24q square plus 12q plus 2. It is in the form of 4m, where m is some integer, m equal to 16q 24q square plus 12q plus 2. In three cases, it is in the form of 4m plus 1, 4m and 4m. Okay, then next come to the last case, 4q plus 3 is whole q equal to 64q plus 144q square plus 108q plus 27. After taking 27, we have to convert it into 24 plus 3. Then 4 taking common, 64q cube 36q square plus 27q plus 6 plus 3. It is in the form of 4m plus 3, where m is equal to 16q cube 36q square plus 27q plus 6. Hence, cube of any positive integer is in the form of 4m or 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 for some integer m. Question number 9. Show that the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form 5q plus 2 or 5q plus 3 for any integer q. As per the question, let a be any positive number by Euclid's algorithm. A equal to 5m plus r for some integer m greater than 0 equal 0, r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because r is between 0 to 5, a is equal to 5m or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 2 or 5m plus 3 or 5m plus 4. So 5m whole square equal to 25m square equal to 5 after taking common 5 whole into 5m square. It is in the form of 5q, where q is any integer. Then 5m plus 1 whole square equal to 25m square plus 10m plus 1. After taking 5 common, 5 whole into 5m square plus 2m plus 1. Then equal to 5q plus 1, where q is any integer. Then 5m plus 2 whole square equal to 25m square plus 20m plus 4. After 5 taking common, 5 whole into 5m square plus 4m plus 4. Then 5q plus 4 whole q is any integer, where 5q plus 4 is 4m is m. Then 5m plus 3 is whole square equal to 25m square plus 30m plus 9 equal to 25m square plus 30m. We convert 9 into 5 plus 4, that is 5 whole into 5m square plus 36m plus 1 plus 4. Here 5 5, it is in the form of 5q plus 4. Q is any integer. Then 5m plus 4 whole square equal to 25m square plus 40m plus 16. We will convert 16 equals to 15 plus 1. Then after taking 5 common, it will be converted to 5 whole into 5m square plus 8m plus 3 plus 1. It is in the form of 5q plus 1, where q is any integer. Hence, as per the question, your answer is given. Question number 10. Show that the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form of 6m plus 2 or 6m plus 5 for any integer m. Let a be any positive integer, then by Euclid's algorithm a is equal to 6q plus r for some integer q greater than 0, r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because r will be between 0 to 5. So a is equal to 6q or 6q plus 1 plus or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. These are the cases. 6q whole square equal to 36q square. After taking 6 common, 6 whole into 6q square, it is in the form of 6m. M is an integer. M is equal to 6q square. Then 6q plus 1 whole square, that is 36q square plus 12q plus 1. Then after taking 6 common, 6 whole into 6q square plus 2q plus 1, it is in the form of 6m plus 1. M is any integer. M equal to 6q square plus 2q. Then question 6q plus 2 whole square equal to 36q square plus 24q plus 4. After taking 6 common, it will become 6 whole into 6q square plus 4q plus 4. It is in the form of 6m plus 4, where m is an integer. M is equal to 6q square plus 4q. Then 6q plus 3's whole square, it is 36q square plus 36q plus 9, it is 36q square plus 36q plus 6 plus 3, it is 6 whole into 6q square plus 6q plus 1 plus 3. Then it is in the form of 6m plus 3, where m is an integer. Then 6q plus 4 whole square, that is 36q square plus 48q plus 16 equal to 36q square plus 48q. 16 will be converted into 12 plus 4. Then after taking 6 common, 6 whole into 6q square plus 7q plus 2 plus 4 equal to 6m plus 4, where it is in the form of 6m plus 4. Then 6m plus 5 whole square, that is 36q square plus 60q plus 25 plus equal to 36q square plus 60q plus 24 plus 1. See, after taking 6 common, 6 24 will be 25 will be converted into 24 plus 1. So 6 common, then 6 whole into 6q square plus 10q plus 4 plus 1. It is in the form of 6m plus 1, where m is an integer, hence the square of any positive integer is in the form of 6m or 6m plus 1 or 6m plus 3 or 6m plus 4, can't be in the form of 6m plus 2 and 6m plus 5. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.